job. This is a assisted living complex. They need snow moved, so emergency vehicles can get in if they need to. They need to be able to get around the complex to deliver meals. Quite a bit of snow here. It's starting to rain a little bit. Snow's getting a little heavy, a little wet. Never been here before, not sure where all the curbs and stuff are, so I gotta be pretty careful on the curbs. I found a storm drain already, so I know where to stack some of this snow up, so when it melts, it's right by a storm drain, so it can drain off. Quite a bit of snow here. It would be nice to have a plow for the skid steer, but we'll make do with a bucket. I don't even know if a plow would work on this stuff. It's pretty heavy, pretty wet. Like I said, not a lot of room to put it, so I gotta stack it pretty high here. Not a lot of parking spots or vacant areas to put it. So, someone pulling in there and get out of their way. They got a long road here. This is the road that goes back to a set of units. They say they take food to the residents. So I'm plowing a road so that the assisted living workers can get back here for emergencies or food. Had to tighten the tracks. They got a little loose from that last job. Machine's been on a dirt work job, so the tracks were pretty loose from being on that job. It's a new skid steer. Tracked cat. Here we are pushing quite a bit of snow to get back to this place. So far, no speed bumps or nothing. Kind of see where the curbs are. Not really sure. We'll just keep pushing this stuff back, clearing some paths. Big old pile of snow in front of me right now. Pushing a big old pile. Alrighty, I'm gonna get back to it. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.